Mobile Tech Markey from Meldrum's Monster Garage, and we're headed out to Manaway to help out one of our club members in the Northern Ohio Chevelle Club. She has a 1967 Chevelle. This is Dee, and she's out in Manaway, and she had a bolt break off on the alternator this week. It vibrated off, and what it looks to me like is she's missing a spacer that supports that bolt. So a spacer that pinches between the alternator and the engine block was missing. All that was there was a bolt through there, and it snapped off in the engine block. So I got a couple different challenges here. One's going to be getting that bolt out, because it's in the engine block now and nothing to grab onto. So I brought my welder with me. We'll see if we can get that out. And then I brought a spacer with me, so hopefully it'll fit. It's for a small block, but this is a modified motor, and you know, you never know what you're going to run into. So here, Mark Meldrum, Meldrum's Monster Garage, our Mobile Tech Markey today, and we're out here visiting Dee and her 67 Chevelle, and she got a little problem. We've been talking about this throughout the week, and what has happened is on the alternator bolt, you can see that it's broke off down here, and what she's missing is a support here, so that when you tighten that up, it kind of pinches that bolt and it gives it extra support. So we're going to take the alternator off. We'll probably have to weld something down in here so I can grab onto it and back that out, and got to disconnect the battery since we're going to weld. So I got a basic plan. Hopefully it works out. Here we go. All right, so Mobile Tech Markey brought his welder out here, and what I did was I welded a bolt in there, and then as you can see, it just unscrewed. So I had my vice grips on there. I'm just kind of simulating what I did, but you can see I got that out of there, and now we're set. We can put a new bolt in there. Luckily the fuel line wasn't in the way. Sometimes the fuel line can run across there, but you can see they got it up and out of the way, so I wasn't too worried about catching anything on fire. So all right, let's see if we can fix this the rest of the way. All right, he's going to start the car back up. We got a little spacer in there to take up the slack. We got everything tightened up, and hopefully she starts up. Hey, looks good. Looks good. That belt is nice and straight, and yeah, that sounds good. Give it a couple revs. Oh yeah, yeah, that sounds good. All right, Markey's Mobile Tech Service was successful today. Yay! Beautiful. Well, had to make a detour after Dee's. They needed some parts back at Ely's Monster Garage, so Mobile Tech Markey stopping to get some stuff at Summit Race. This is just the coolest place to come. You got all sorts of stuff to look at. It's just a big candy store for a guy like Mark Meldrum. So we got some break-in oil down here in the bag, and we're going back to Mike Ely's to put it in the engine. Here we go. We're done shopping at Summit Racing. Always a pleasure to go in there. And we picked up some Lucas oil, engine break-in oil. Of course, it's got the high zinc in it, so we'll see how this goes. And then Uncle Larry wanted some more assembly lube, so we got some CompCam assembly lube. So there you go, Meldrum's Monster Garage. If you're interested, Summit, if you're interested in supporting Meldrum's Monster Garage, Lucas Oil, CompCams, we'll take all our new sponsors now that we hit 1,000 subscribers. We could do a world of good for you guys. All right, let's get back to Meldrum's Monster Garage. This is Mobile Tech Markey signing out for the day. See ya.
You're not happy unless you're priming.